Hi, and welcome to AP Biology. I just want to make a quick introductory video on what to expect and welcome the Sunset people who are going to come into the class. And my name is Jeff Buckingham. I'll be teaching the 2017-2018 course. And this is what you can expect from the course and how you can succeed right off the first bat, so the first day. So the content, it covers the normal biology course in a college class. So you can expect it to be pretty rigorous. So what we cover the first semester is chemistry of water and nutrient cycles. That is done over the summer, and we just don't have enough time to do it during the school year. We start pretty late compared to other states. Then we move on to biochemistry, so that's lipids, carbs, and DNA, and proteins. Then we move to cells, and cells is a pretty big unit. We split it into three, so it's cell parts, how cells communicate, and what can go in and out of a cell. And then we cover DNA. Second semester are the bigger picture biology concepts, which will be genetics, evolution, and ecology, which I love second semester. First semester is a little bit lengthier because we start in September and go all the way into February, and then second semester is from about February to the first part of May, and so it's a little bit shorter, and the exam is early to second week in May. This class is set up as a flipped classroom. You may not have heard of it, or if you have, it's from some other students who have taken the course previously. So the homework are videos, and they're kind of like these videos, and I introduce a concept, and then when we get into class, you analyze what you learned, and you might push a little bit further. So we've never done this previously, and it used to be a textbook heavy course, and we're moving away from that. So students have really enjoyed it, and it's a great way to access the information. So at home, you start on this bottom part of the triangle, which is the knowledge and the comprehension. And then in class, we work on the application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. So I push you all in class to go towards the higher order learning. And I've seen on a lot of exams and a lot of assessments that students are doing a lot better through the flipped classroom. So the videos you can anticipate being anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes long each, and students take about 30, 35, 40 minutes to answer them because they pause and then they write notes. And what I believe is the best part about the videos is that I'm able to show you animations that you wouldn't really be able to glean from looking at the textbook. And the textbook can be really dry sometimes, and so we pare it down and we strip all of the unnecessary parts to what you're supposed to learn into these really condensed videos. So then in class, what we do are a bunch of group work and a lot of student voice. So plan on you speaking with a partner or multiple partners. We have some case studies, so we take what happens in real life currently and we apply to what we learned and try and figure out what might be the issue with a certain disease, as an example. We also do a lot of labs, and the labs are the most fun part of this class in my opinion. So one lab, we look at the fish scales to view what's going on with cell communication. We look at DNA, and we run DNA through some gels. We make bacteria glow in the dark, and we grow our own what's called fast plant and look at the evolutionary characteristics of successive generations. I get a lot of students first day asking me how they can succeed in biology, and the biggest way you can do well is just to be in the class. So we usually have a short video quiz each day. If you miss that, it's kind of a grade buffer, and if you miss the entire day, you miss a lab, you miss an activity, it's really hard to make up. I'm also not able to answer your questions, and a lot of students have questions on the videos, or they have a lot of questions on some of the assignments, and to ask those questions is really important. I have a calendar that we reference daily, and students will look at the homework daily to see what they need to do. So you can see for January 5th, January 6th, students did a video quiz on some videos, and then we worked on a POGIL. POGIL is the group work, and then maybe a drawing. The next day is a case study, and each day the homework is linked, and if there's a video, that's going to be linked. Some processes you will be drawing quite a bit in biology, and that's the best way to learn biology, is just drawing it out. So that can be some homework practice. The number 2 way to be successful in this class is to organize your work. I get a lot of students that have crumpled paper, or they are missing work and they struggle in the class. So I push students to organize their binder, organize their time, and we will go over in the first day what it means to have a really organized binder. And lastly, if you need help, I'm really accessible via email, and I check it constantly, so you can always check in with me. And the first month or so, students are a little scared to reach out, but please, no question is dumb. You can always ask me, and I usually respond pretty quickly. And that is it.